It's so light. Look at the shape of this thing. It's like pew pew.
Oh, there's an LED display. No, it's not loud. Yeah, I know it's next to my ear, but it's not loud.
This is the Uninell UV-5 cordless vacuum cleaner. I'm very excited to show you how this vacuum cleaner works. And we would like to thank Uninell for sending us this vacuum cleaner for the purpose of this review. But before that, let's see what's inside the box. And here's the user manual that comes in 5 different languages, and I highly recommend that you take time to read it. And here's the long crevice tool that is great to vacuum hard to reach places like your vents or even when you need to vacuum your car. This one is the 2200 milliamp battery running on 29.6 volts and can provide power to the vacuum for at least an hour in a bare floor mode. When charging the battery, the green light flashes when the battery is still charging, and they highly recommend to fully charge the battery and leave it for 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. And when the battery is fully charged, the green light is solid. This wall mount battery pack holder can also be used to store your vacuum, and it's very easy to install. They also provided screws and wall anchors, and make sure that you mount this on a place where there's an outlet close by so you can store and charge this vacuum at the same time. And this one is the Motorized turbo brush head. This brush head is not that heavy, but you can feel the build quality just by holding it. Although it's made of plastic, it doesn't feel cheap, and it has wheels at the backside for easy gliding, and the brush roller is very unique. It has fine bristles, and next to it is like a band, and it's not a brush, and it's like a band that acts like a squeegee, and it seems very effective in keeping things off the roller. Let me tell you what I mean. Right now you can see that this roller is very clean. There's nothing to it. You cannot see dirt or anything that is tangled to it. One of the most annoying things that we keep on having on these rollers is this. I intentionally collected and placed that bunch of hair on our carpet and show you how effective this brush head is without any cut on the video. Okay, so now let's check the brush head. As you can see, the roller is free from any hair. There's nothing in it, nothing is tangled, nothing is left behind. Where are they? They're all in the dustbin, and that's how effective that brush is. And did you notice something else? Did you notice that there is an LED light right in front of the brush head? And this LED light helps you find all the dirt and dust on the floor so you won't miss a spot. And by the way, this LED light stays on whenever you turn on the vacuum, and it cannot be turned off. And the roller on the brush head can be removed easily so you can clean it. And all you need to do is just twist that part right there. Once you're done cleaning it, all you need to do is just push it back in and lock it in place. Moving forward with the unboxing, and this one is the combination nozzle that you can use with or without the brush head. This combination nozzle is great for small jobs and hard to reach places like cleaning your car or cleaning underneath the cushions. They also provided an extra HEPA filter and a foam filter, a power adapter to charge the battery, the anchors and screws to mount the wall mount battery pack holder, and here we have the 550 watt brushless motor 48 kPa ultra strong suction cordless vacuum cleaner. It even has a built-in brush tool where you can use for quick cleaning. You don't have to run and grab an attachment. Here's a quick release button to release the dustbin assembly, and right behind the dustbin you will find the HEPA filter and the foam filter. Both of this filter can be cleaned using water. And since we're already here in the dustbin, let me show you that this dustbin can also be dismantled for easy cleaning. But first you need to empty the dustbin. And to empty the dustbin, all you need to do is just press the dustbin release button, and that will release all the dust and dirt inside. Once the dustbin is empty and you want to proceed cleaning the dustbin, just release the dustbin from the vacuum cleaner, then remove the filters from behind, turn the dustbin upside down, open the dustbin, and push the insides to release. Now you have easy access to clean all parts of the dustbin. Please note that do not use any detergent when cleaning the dustbin. Just use water. And when it's time to push it back, all you need to do is just align those two shapes right there and then push it down. And then you're all set. To reattach, just align the hole from the dustbin to the vacuum, push it down. Once you hear the click, you're all set. To start using this cordless vacuum, just slide in the fully charged battery. And this is the battery release button if you want to remove the battery from the vacuum. To turn the vacuum on, just press the power button. You can press and hold the power button when you're turning it on, and the vacuum will keep running. But the moment you release the power button and press it again, the vacuum will turn off. This vacuum cleaner also has an LED display at the back. This green arch that you see on the top of the vacuum icon is your battery meter. It tells you how much battery life is left. And right outside where you can see the bare floor, that's one of the modes of the vacuum. As I press this button right here, it changes to carpet mode, then turbo mode. There are a couple of error notification icons that you will also see from this LED screen. And one is the block motor blockage, which is this one. Unfortunately, I was not able to trigger the roller brush tangle notification, but keep watch of it in case your motor brush head got tangled. And here's the last item in the box, the adjustable tube. This tube can extend to at least 2 feet. So there's no more kneeling and crouching when you're using this vacuum. And this tube can be adjusted to small increments because of those holes being close together. And this adjustable tube can easily be adjusted even while you're using the vacuum. This vacuum can only be used on dry surfaces. So never use this vacuum on any type of liquid or any wet material. Another cool thing about this vacuum is that it can stand on its own. You don't need to find a wall to lean it on or leave it lying on the ground. This cordless vacuum cleaner checks a lot of boxes. It's lightweight and it can clean every type of floor in our house. And with its 1 hour of use and powerful suction, this is definitely one of the favorite cleaning tools that I would recommend. So guys, this is the Uninell UV-5 cordless vacuum cleaner. Get yours today and thanks for watching.